Hi, this video we're showing about our modular matrix feature with the video function. So as right now we can see actually we have a setup here, so we can check out how we do the settings. So here's our 36 by 36 modular matrix feature. This is the front panel. On the front panel, basically we have the LCD for the showing up like the switching status or the IP address, everything, and also can support the IR control. And we have 36 input buttons, and on the output side we also have 36 output buttons. Basically we can just press the buttons for the fast switching. Like right now if we want to switch the input 1 to outputs, we can just press the up button, then we finish the switching, like all the screens are showing up from the source 1. If we want to switch to the input 2, we can also press up button. Right. We also can just press the input, then press the output one by one, then we can finish the switching. If we press the button again, it will just cancel the switching. Press one more time, it will just switch in the input to this output. Okay, so this is how we use the from button for the fast switchings. On the back side right now, we can see we have like 3 inputs now, and which is from the 3 players over the side. And since it's modular, so basically we still have like the empty slots, but when we shipping the units, we will have the blank cover to cover these holes. But when we expanded the system, we can just add the input card. For the output card right now, we have like all the HPSD output, then to the over the Cat6 cable, and then can up to 70 meters or 100 meters. And then here we have the receivers, which is convert the HPSD back to the HDMI outputs. So on the receiver, we can see none of the receiver are using the DC power supply. We just use the POC function, which means power from the HPSD output card to the receiver, then receiver HPSD in, then HDMI output to the 16 displays here. So right now we can see it's actually working as a 3x3 video wall, and around this 3x3 video wall, and we have like individual screens over this side. So basically on the matrix feature, we can have like the 2 control ports on the bottom side, if we can see it. We have the LAN 1, which is using different IP, and LAN 2 using non-IP. So we have the LAN 1, which is connected to this Wi-Fi router. So we can use like the application control, including Android and iOS app. We also can use the browser. And we have a LAN cable, which go back to my laptop here. So I can use my laptop with the web browser control. So like right now we can just do the matrix feature controls. Like right now we have the presets where they saved before. Like right now if we have this 16 by 16 screen showing as a 1 video wall, and we can just record one of the presets. So now as you can see, it's actually already showing up as a 4x4 video wall. But also we can just record back like the 3 video wall with individual screens around. So we can just record another presets. Right now we have this one. Then we can just go back to the switch interface. Then we can just do the switchings. Like right now we're gonna have the 3x3 video wall, change to a different source, select the input 1, then press the video wall here. Now we already have it, switch to different source, switch to another one. Right, this use the web browser on the laptop control, and also we can just select the source, and we can just control select the output button, and one by one. That means we can just switch to like individual screens around the video wall. Okay, so this is how we use the web browser from the laptop, but we also can use like the iPad application control. Like right now it's actually pretty much just the same interface, but the control is the same. So we can see like how we do the controllings. Like right now, if we want to control like this input to all the outputs, showing the same, right? And switch to the Apple TV, it's going to show the same as well. We also can just record the presets and to have like the 4x4 video wall back. We can back to the switch interface, then we can switch to different inputs to this one as well. Apple TV. Or the Mi box. Okay, so this is the video wall. We also can have like all the 16 screens are showing like individual screens. Right. Now we can just back to the switch interface, then we can just do the switching, like press the input, then press the output buttons. We'll press the another input source. As you can see, like when we do the switching, it's actually can support like scene switching, no black or blue screen during the source switchings. Okay, so this is how we use the iPad with the application or the web browser or the laptop with the browser to control the matrix switcher with the video functions, including like to have all the screens showing as one large image or showing as 3x3 or 2x2. We can create out like multiple video groups, just like we can create video from the web browser directly, and then we can save them as presets. Then we can record or load the presets. Okay. Slow back to the 4x4 video. Okay, thank you.